For Meian's mobile phone application, ST panel has a server address of 479174.102, which mainly serves the ST series hosts of GSM and PSTN, such as ST3B, ST4B. Another server address 479179.147 mobile phone application is Smart Security. It can connect all Meian devices, alarm hosts, NVR, cameras, and smart home and AI products. This server address is for professional platform client services, and we will answer them in next episodes. Reddit? It doesn't matter, it's more important to operate. First of all, we tried to transfer the host from Smart Security to the ST panel server, and directly replace the server IP address with the ST panel address. After changing the server address, you must restart the host to convert the server. Now exit the current account and enter the account again. The host has been offline, indicating that the account has been transferred out. Then, log into ST panel, register an account, open the code scanning mode, and scan the QR code on the host. You can refer to the content of the second episode. Now you can use the ST panel to arm it on your mobile phone. Finally, how to go to the Smart Security platform, and also change the IP platform address operation. But remember to restart the system on the host. ST panel does not support mobile phone applications to restart the system.
这个东西我一放就是3分钟。